Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. So in our weekly report we said that market stands in a bit tricky situation where actually the chances on the two-leg downside retracement is not eliminated totally. At least theoretically this is still possible, and we said that we need to control the price behavior around major levels because this could bring the clarity on overall market sentiment and actually in what direction market could follow the action. Because right on top, if you remember, in December we've got big high wave pattern actually, which are mostly neutral candle, neutral pattern, and further direction usually depends on the breakout of this pattern. So if market taken out of the top, it keep going higher, and the opposite is true. So if drop below the lows, then we could get more extended downward action. And market right now stands right in the middle. And you could see that right in the same area we have the nearest 618 resistance 1278 level. That might be a great test for the overall market sentiment. And if market will break it up and keep going higher, that will be big step in favor of the upward breakout and upward continuation. Speaking from the fundamental point of view, this seems absolutely reasonable and logical in the current environment as geopolitical as economical. And even more, if we take a look at the dollar index, I already have shown this in the euro currency report, euro currency video. Let's take a look. This is weekly chart. In fact, on this downward action, dollar index has broken all the support areas. It is not oversold right now, so theoretically it has relatively free space right back down to the lows. And the nearest weekly target stands around 98, which suggests that, well, here's should be relatively easy for the dollar index to pass this distance to the downside. Absence of any support areas for the dollar index is definitely a supportive factor for the gold, which is actually has less problems with our prediction, at least from the dollar point of view. So, and from that standpoint, although here we could get some downside reaction and maybe some response of this level, it seems that chances stands in favor of upward breakout. But until this will happen, it's a bit too early to consider taking the long position, at least on the daily and higher time frames. So we need to get this confirmation. Speaking about the intraday performance, so we'll take a look at the fall time frame chart. Here's absolutely nice performance for the hand and shoulders. If you remember, we will discuss market retracement after the 1618 target will be completed, and we said the preferable way is just minor retracement and retesting of the trend line without breakout it down, because this will keep the hand shoulders valid and let us to consider next target around 2090 on the OP, which is actually target of the hand and shoulders pattern. And now you can see that this actually condition holds. This market has shown just minor pullback, stands above the neckline, and now is going up once again. So it means that on the hourly chart, it's very probable that market could form today, tomorrow, maybe some minor butterfly, because this butterfly has the target precisely at the daily resistance area. So once it will be completed around 2080, there's probably some reaction. Also take a look, this will be the upper border of this channel. So, and from that standpoint of view, retracement down from the 2078 is really could happen. So if you're a scalp trader, you trade on intraday charts, maybe this is an area that you could keep an eye on and see, because you will get the level on the daily chart and you will get the pattern. This potentially butterfly, which potentially bearish reversal pattern that could trigger at least a minor bounce. Our task will be to consider and see what reaction will be. If it will be relatively slow and gradual, market will hold inside of this channel, that will be in favor of the upward continuation. If we get the sharp reversal and collapse, this will tell us that probably sentiment is not as bullish as we thought. So this the thing that we need to keep an eye on in gold market in the nearest couple of sessions probably.